Today is Friday, April 10th, and I'm doing the first day of the organic herbicide shootout. So I had written down some stuff and some materials so I could just get some thoughts down and on some paper instead of, trying to think about it all in my head. So today's my day off. I'm gonna run up to Walmart soon here. After I give a little rundown of my list and stuff, I was gonna take you outside and show you where I will be conducting this experiment. So right now I'll just kind of show you the list and what's going on. So for the material list, later I will go in and talk about the brands of the materials, but right now it's just 1 cup of apple cider vinegar, 2 cups of water, 1/2 cup of dish soap, and 1/3 cup of the baking soda. So for the mixture, the first one is going to be 1 cup of apple cider vinegar, 1 cup of filtered water, 1/3 cup of baking soda. And I did, we are going to use filtered water because I know it's different from the sink with all kinds of chemicals and stuff in it. So for mixture 2, we're going to have a 1/2 cup of dishwashing soap, 1/2 cup of filtered water from the fridge again. So they both have the same variable here, so it's not any different. And then for the hypothesis, I think that if I use 2 completely different types of at-home herbicides, one's going to work better than the other for sure. And the one that I think is going to work out better, in my opinion, is probably the baking soda and the vinegar, because it creates that carbon dioxide reaction. And I just think, I don't know, I just think it'll work better. So the outline is I'm going to have a large patch of grass or weeds. I'm going to use 1/2 of the mixture, just, light spray on one side and then a light spray on the other side. And we'll see what happens. I have my variables here. And yeah, I'm just going to be heading to Walmart soon. So this is day 1. I'll check in tomorrow and a few other days and we'll see what's going on. But I'm going to grab some spray bottles and some other stuff up there. So I'll keep you updated. So it is later in the day, Friday. And so I got some supplies. So I'll go ahead and show you these. So I have the 2 cups of filtered water from my handy dandy fridge. I have some apple cider vinegar, and it's great value brand. Some Arm & Hammer baking soda, just regular. And then I got some lavender and lime dishwashing soap. I don't know if the lavender or lime would mess with anything in this process, but And then I got 2 spray bottles. So I'll go ahead, make the mixture, and then go ahead, take you outside, show you the area of the plants, and then we'll go from there. So I have 2 patches here, this one here and this one here. So they're completely separated. So with the first one, the blue bottle, is the dishwashing soap and just some filtered water. So I'll go ahead and spray this. I don't really know what's a good amount. I should just spray the whole thing for the experiment, I guess. Alright, that's probably good. And so with the second one, we have the baking soda, apple cider vinegar, and filtered water in this one. Give it a good shake. Oh boy. Hold on. This one's a little weird. Spray it like this, I guess. Alright. And it's a nice day out. It is 60 degrees. So that should be good. We'll go ahead and check on it tomorrow, because right now it is currently 5:34. So yeah, check on it tomorrow. And then I got a few other plants here. Maybe if I could find some regular pesticide in my house, I'll spray these and see what happens. So it is day 2 of the herbicide Shootout experiment. And it is freezing, and it rained, and I think it's supposed to rain, but we'll go ahead and shoot this one again. This is the soap and water mixture. These do look a little different than yesterday, but it's gonna rain, I'm pretty sure. So I don't know if it'll wash anything away, any of the stuff. So, and then the apple cider vinegar and baking soda mixture, we'll go ahead and shoot on here. It is very cold out. I don't know if that has anything to do with it, but yep. So far, I'm not seeing anything really different. Actually, maybe just the coloring in this one a little bit. I mean, then we have our control right here. I mean, these look pretty green. Daisy. Sorry, my dog's like. Oh no! Please don't eat that. Please don't eat that. Daisy, come. We have the controlled here, which looks pretty green and good. And then this one, shoot, looks a little discolored. And then this one looks perfectly fine. We'll check it back in tomorrow and see what happens. It's really windy, but yeah. Day 3 of the organic herbicide shootout. We have our control here. This is the soap and water, which you can start to see it's turning a totally different color. And this is the apple cider baking soda. I'm not really seeing too much going on here. Pretty surprised because I didn't think the soap would be the one to do this. But go ahead and spray it again. All right. And we'll go ahead. Yeah, it's really starting to look kind of dead. Go ahead and give this a shake and spray this one. All right, and then we'll check back in tomorrow on day 4 and see where that's going. But so far it looks like the soap and water one is doing the best here. So yeah, check in tomorrow.